guys, welcome back to Millennial Films. My name is Miguel. If you're new here, consider subscribing. This is going to be the second episode of Photographer versus Photographer. And today we are shooting this beautiful, beautiful Z. We have my buddy Pedro. He's going to be the second person for the Photographer versus Photographer. If you guys haven't seen the last video, go check it out. It's going to be up here. And that way you can catch up. This is, like I said, second episode. Pedro, you want to come in here?
My name is Pedro Rodriguez. I've been photographing for 7 years. I started off in marching band photography, which led into weddings, pinups. I started doing swimwear and boudoir. Right now, currently, I consider myself more of a glamour photographer.
He's more into portraits, that kind of realm, right?
Yeah.
I'm more focused on car photography. If you guys go and check out my Instagram, you guys will see more of the vehicles that I shoot.
Models and so my, like right now, like a lot of stuff is striving between like OnlyFans and like boudoir and glamour. And so that's mostly my field. But I do shoot portraits and I shoot weddings on the side.
We're gonna link his Instagram if you guys want to check out some of his work. He's definitely got some heat on those pages. Go check it out.
So the model today that we have today, she's been photographing with me for a while. What's it called? We've done everything from more boudoir to even portraits. Today we're gonna be mostly focused on the portraiture, but here's Rachel Santos.
Hi guys, I am Rachel. My Insta is missrachel.santi for those who want to go check it out. Like Pedro said, I've been shooting with him for a couple years now. We've done a whole bunch of different kinds of stuff. I don't usually shoot with props and things like cars, so this is going to be a fun little challenge for me today as well as shooting with Miguel right here. So yeah, let's just get into it, have some fun.
The challenge is going to be, for me, it's going to be the model. I've done portraits, not very much. Like I mentioned, I do cars for the most part, so that's going to be my challenge. Pedro's challenge is going to be the vehicle, obviously. We're going to have 7 minutes to get as many shots as we can, and we're going to see what we can put together. We're going to start with the car, and we're going to start with the model, and then we're going to put them both together and see what kind of beautiful stuff we can get. I also want to introduce the owner of the car so you guys get to know him.
This is my 370Z. I moved here from Colorado and loving it ever since I moved here.
All right, let's do this. All right guys, so we're gonna do this a little bit more on the interesting side. We're gonna do a coin toss to see who gets to go first. Loser goes first. So you ready, Pedro?
Go for it.
Ready, Zach? Let's go for it.
Heads.
Heads it is.
You go first.
Start the time. Turn the wheel really quick that way. Can I get a picture with you in the car? No, like next to the car. That'll be a sick poster. Come on, that'll be a sick poster. Right there, just like that. I got an extra photo. All right, guys. So my time is over. We're gonna do Pedro next. So hopefully Pedro can get some good ones.
So I got to see Miguel do his work first, and so now it's my turn. You can start the timer. Dang it.
I'm gonna lose.
How much time? 2 minutes.
So that was a lot harder than I thought. I'm actually a little bit sweating a little bit. So now it's my turn to start with the model. And so let the timer start. Ready? Okay, let me have you over there. So watch out, don't fall, okay? Gotta watch for model safety. Let me have you sit down on the edge. Yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Stand up. Let's have a white stance. There we go. Stay right there. That's beautiful. That's really good. Let's have like a there you go. That's beautiful. That's really nice. Cool, let me change lenses, okay? Stay right there. Okay, I'm back. Beautiful, beautiful. Let's lose the glasses. No. Let's take advantage of the jacket. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, let's have more of a. Let's have the jacket on top. There you go. There you go. Stay like that. Stay like that. Beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna get real close up. Okay. Hands in the back. Hands in the front. Sorry. There you go. Stay right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Stay right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Woo! That's good, man. You did a good job. So now it's Miguel's turn.
We're used to working under pressure.
I want to get some silhouette behind you. So I am thinking like somewhere right there.
Right there?
Yes. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Second, give me a second. Yeah, great, actually. A little nervous, but yeah. Yes, yes. You want? Got it. You kind of throw it out.
Okay.
So it's kind of open, you know what I'm talking about? Let's do it. Oh shit, right there. Keep a lookout on that side. I know. Beautiful. Go over this way, this way, this way. No! Beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. Thank you. All right. Whew. That was actually not too bad. I was kind of struggling on the poses. She definitely helped me out a lot though. It helps a lot when you have a model that knows what she's doing and has done it before. So thank you. I think the best ones were out on the street though, me personally.
Oh, those are sick. Pedro.
Pedro.
I haven't seen his yet though, so.
I just showed you. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and start with the car and the model. The next one, this one is gonna be the model and the vehicle. So this one is going to be interesting. We'll pop right here. Yeah, so you pop a little bit, and then I have the car in the background. Beautiful. Sheesh. Oh, these are nice. Perfect. Now stay there. I'm gonna give you the steering wheel. I'm gonna have you hold it. Look. Yeah. There you go. Damn it. Going just a few. Beautiful. All right, guys. So that's gonna be the end of my turn. I feel pretty confident. I don't think as much as I should, but I think we're gonna have a really good turnout. Now it's gonna be Pedro's turn, and we're gonna finish it off with him. We'll see what Pedro can get. Ready, Pedro?
So now it's my turn. Miguel's been putting on a show, so it's time for me to gain my glory. Can't even talk. I can't even talk. All right, start the timer. Beautiful. Go, stay right there. Hands up. There you go. Now the way to connect. Right there. Stay right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Stay right there. Beautiful, beautiful. Whew! I mean, I think Miguel gave me a run for his money, and so I think he's really good. And so, well, yeah, he got me nervous. but we'll see. You know, maybe in the comments we'll see. You know, so
Comments will go ahead and decide.
All right, guys. So this is gonna be the end of the video. We have all the photos. Let us know what you guys like, what you guys don't like.
yeah.
Drop a comment down below if you guys like the video. Let us know what you guys want to see. Again, like I mentioned in the last video, if you guys want to participate or if you know a photographer, hit me up on Instagram. Hit him up on Instagram. Maybe you guys want to do a photographer with Pedro or with me. Consider subscribing if you like the video. Hit the like button and make sure to check out his work. Thank you for coming. It was nice having you. Appreciate it. And Zach, you want to come in here? I'll link his Instagram for his vehicle. Go check him out. Check out some of his photos. He's famous.
No.
He's famous. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. Check out Zach on Instagram. I'm gonna link his Instagram down below, along with Pedro and Rachel. So thank you again, everybody, for coming, and it was fun. Thank you. Thank you. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
I was just a young, can't lose change. Now I gotta come in 22 ways.